Hi students, in this exercise we will learn how to create mass hole diagrams in Civil 3D and then we will edit them to get balanced cutted fill for roads. Mass hole diagrams helps designer and contractors gauge how far and how much soils need to be moved around a site. First we will try to create a mass hole diagram, then we will try to understand about the mass hole diagrams. First, you can open this drawing from the description link. If you did not get, please write down in the comment box and I will drop you with this drawing. Here we have a road which names Sarah Way. Then we have also profiles, alignment and profiles and complete corridor for this road. Now we need to create the mass hole diagram. How can we do that? Just click here on the Analyze tab and Volume and Material panel. You can choose mass hole diagram. Create mass hole diagrams dialog box will be appear. On the general page, just verify, select alignment should be Sarahways and simple lines should be Sarahways simple line. So you don't need to change anything here, just press next. And here on the next page, just verify you have material list number 2 and choose a material to display as mass hole line should be total volume. Then press next. Here on the third page of a balancing options, just place a check mark next to the free hole distance and change the distance to 200 feet and then click create diagram. Okay, just find a clear space to place your mass hole diagrams. The diagram should look similar like my diagram. Just note that the legend was added for explanation purpose and is not generated by Civil 3D. We just create this using AutoCAD text and hatching tools. So this is our mass hole diagram and we just need to now about that little bit. The first one here, for example, we have cut and fill the balance. We call this area as a balance, the state where the cumulative cut and fill volumes are equal. Then we have the origin point where we have 0. The beginning of the mass hole diagram typically at station 0 plus 0 0, but it can be vary depending on your stationing. Then we have another option, borrow a negative value. Typically, as we have not any negative value here, but if you found your chart under the 0 cubic yard, for example, here in this area of negative value is typically at the end of mass hole diagram, that indicates fill material that will need to be brought into the site. Same like this, but opposite, which is waste. When we have positive values typically at the end of mass hole diagram, that indicates cut material that will need to be hauled out of the site. So we have two more terms, which is free hole and overhaul. Free hole is earthwork that a contractor has contractually agreed to move. This typically specifies a contracted distance. And overall, earthwork that the contractor has not contractually agreed to move. These access can be used for borrow pits or based piles. As now we already draw mass hole diagrams, now we will edit this little bit to get balance. So you can continue with these drawing and select anywhere on your mass hole diagrams are great. If you look at your mass hole diagrams, you can see that nearly all the earthwork for Saraway involves net cut, which means hauling away dirt. The balancing option gives you a chance to change or add waste and borrow pits. You will now make a few changes and observe what happens to the mass hole diagram. From the mass hole view contextual panel, you can select balancing option. The mass hole line properties dialog box will be open to you. And here, initially we will select the free hole distance 200 feet. Just put here 500 and drag the dialog box away from the screen to see the changes, and then just click on apply. You can just further tweak this amount to cut down on the net cut values by adding a dump site also here. So you can see here the changes when we put 500 feet for the free hole distance. How can we add dump site? Just click here, add dump site, and it is asking for the station and capacity which you want. So now here, for example, I want just 1 plus 31. I will just write 131 and it will take 1 plus 31. So you don't need to put the plus sign here. Then for the capacity, we will need, it can be different in your case. For example, I am just putting 850 cubic yard. So if you are working in meters, you can put in cubic meters. So when your dialog box resemble like this, then you can just press enter and then click OK. So you can see many changes here in our mass hole diagrams. The mass hole diagrams will immediately update to reflect the changes. If the mass hole view does not reflect the desired layout, so you don't worry about it. When you will save the drawing and close it, and when you will open it again, the desired layout should be displayed here. For example, as now we have not negative values here for these areas, then when you will save your drawing and open it again, you will see updated layout for this mass hole diagram. So this is how you can create and how you can make balancing net cut and fill volumes to using your mass hole diagrams in Civil 3D. Stay tuned with us for more Civil 3D advanced knowledge.